Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to name components in Figma, but why is this lesson important? Naming components in Figma creates a structured, hierarchical organization system. This improves component discoverability, simplifies developer handoff, and enhances collaboration by making it faster and easier to find, use, and manage components within a design system. Now let's begin naming components. First, open the Figma software and either open an existing project or create a new one. As you can see, I have created multiple components, but their names are unclear. To rename a component, select the text box by right-clicking it in the left sidebar, then click on the Rename option. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+R on your keyboard to rename the component. After making your changes, click outside the box to save them. Repeat this process for the vector and frame components as well. This method will help organize your design and make your workflow more efficient. And that's how to name components in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos.